Picture windows are known for their wide, unobstructed views and ability to fill a home with natural light. In Houston, where sunlight is plentiful and weather conditions can shift quickly, having high-performing picture windows is essential for comfort, energy efficiency, and home value. Over time, even the best windows begin to show signs of wear. Recognizing when it's time for a picture window replacement can help you avoid rising energy bills, prevent moisture damage, and restore your home's curb appeal. Here are the most important signs that it's time to upgrade your picture windows in Houston. Increasing energy bills. Houston summers can be brutal, and your windows play a major role in how hard your air conditioning has to work. If your energy bills have been creeping upward for no clear reason, your aging picture windows may be the cause. Older windows often have failing seals and outdated glass that allow heat to penetrate your home. Modern picture windows are built with advanced insulation, low-E coatings, and energy-efficient frames that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Upgrading not only improves comfort but can significantly reduce monthly utility costs. Drafts or hot spots near the window. Picture windows are fixed and not designed to open, so they should be among the most airtight windows in your home. If you feel heat radiating from the glass in summer or a noticeable draft in winter, your window's thermal performance has been compromised. This is a strong indicator that the seals have deteriorated or the window materials have warped due to Houston's humidity and temperature swings. A replacement will restore proper insulation and eliminate those uncomfortable hot and cold zones. Condensation between the glass panes. Fogging or condensation inside the glass is a sure sign of seal failure. When the seal breaks, insulating gas escapes and moisture enters, reducing the window's efficiency and making the glass appear hazy. This is not a problem that can be repaired with cleaning. The only long-term solution is window replacement. New, high-quality picture windows are engineered to resist seal failure and maintain clarity for decades. Visible damage or deterioration. Houston storms, UV exposure, and humidity can cause materials to crack, fade, or warp. If your window frame is rotting, cracking, or separating from the structure, it's time for an upgrade. Damaged frames not only affect how the window looks but also its ability to protect your home from the elements. Even small cracks can allow water intrusion, leading to mold, interior damage, and expensive repairs. Replacing your picture window ensures your home stays protected and visually appealing. Noise from outside is more noticeable. Picture windows should provide excellent sound insulation. If outside noise, traffic, construction, neighbors, is more noticeable than before, your window may no longer be performing optimally. Aging glass, thinning insulation, and failing seals contribute to increased sound transfer. A replacement window with modern acoustic features can dramatically improve indoor quietness. Your window style looks outdated beyond function. Outdated picture windows can affect your home's overall look and value. If the frame style feels old, discolored, or mismatched with recent upgrades, replacing the window can instantly refresh your exterior and interior. Today's picture windows come in sleek, modern designs that offer expansive views and enhance architectural style. Upgrade your picture windows with confidence. Replacing picture windows is one of the most impactful home upgrades for Houston homeowners. With improved insulation, better storm performance, UV protection, and stunning clarity, a new picture window can dramatically elevate your home's comfort and beauty. If any of these signs sound familiar, this is the perfect time to consider a replacement and enjoy all the benefits modern windows provide.